Oh, hello. Hi, and welcome to match day 8. This is the game versus Crawley Old School Cricket Club, who I've not played before, and I don't think many of us has. I think it's a hastily rearranged game. It's a misty day, as you've noticed, down at the ground. Our groundsman AJ has, well, he's made the boundary quite short. We're playing on the second strip across. We've made the boundary very short, but it's because he's so small it probably perceived that it's much further away than it actually is. So I think there's definitely going to be some boundaries hit today, 4s and 6s. If Charles gets his iron, he'll have a field day today. It's a bit dewy on the outfield. It is dewy. I think there's been some very hint of rain. It's really, as you can see, really overcast as well. The ball should move about early today. So there's definitely going to be some movement, and if people hit the ball, I think it's going to skip off the surface because it is really wet. The playing surface, however, well, that's actually, to be fair, it seems to be fairly sort of dry. I mean, we're right in the middle of the pitch here, and well, you can see the moss, I think, soaks it up. But if we find I don't know, it's a patch like this over here, you can see it's actually still fairly dry and fairly hard. The ball itself, well, let's go have a look at check the ends. There seems to be quite a bit of moss in the middle of this pitch. Down here on the end. It bounces to the right here. Yeah, it's definitely a bounces to the right over here. Not much pace, but as I said before, it should hit these bits maybe and bounce up. Will be interesting to see how it plays at the other end. We'll go down here. Go down to the other end. Goes about here. There's a bit of bounce in it. Not a lot, but typical Churchley thing. We'll have a look with the key. We get in here. Cameraman. The key. Yeah, it's definitely goes right through there. It's definitely mossy in places, but then you get these harder bits which actually look like they might scruff up a bit. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see what happens today. I definitely think we'll get some swing and some movement if our bowlers put it in the right area. I'd say, well, Charles wants to bowl first. We'll see. We'll see what happens here. It depends on what Captain Joe Woolgar says. But yeah, the game starts at 2 o'clock. Hopefully, weather permitting, we should get a full game in, and hopefully another W on the board. So we'll speak to you in the next one.